Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Hoi An, Vietnam. Try natin mag-withdraw sa Vietbank Digital ATM gamit ang ating GCash physical card. Ito din yung ating GCash online app, no? So basta may Visa yung card nyo, try natin. So ayan, select English, then input your PIN number and cash withdrawal, savings. So in Vietnam dong siya, try natin itong 2 million Vietnam dong. Ang equivalent dyan mga 434. So receipt, yes, 434 Vietnam dong in 1 peso. So ayan na siya, processing. Kunin natin yung ating card. Of course, yung ating pera, ayan na siya in VND. And yung receipt. So pwede mag-withdraw guys gamit ang inyong physical card. At dito lumalabas wala siyang transaction fee. Okay, so pwede as long as meron siyang Visa or Mastercard ang inyong physical card, pwede kayong mag-withdraw dito sa Vietbank Digital. Thanks!